Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening your LinkedIn profile and confirming permissions. Make sure you're signed in. Once done, navigate to the intro section under your profile and look for the Add Profile section button. Click Recommended, then Services if available, or use the More menu on mobile to reveal it. You need a clear professional headline and at least one service title ready. That speeds input. If you don't see the option, switch to desktop. LinkedIn surfaces features differently. Now you'll add each service one by one, click Add Service, and type a concise title that matches searches. Then write a short description explaining what you do and why it helps clients. Focus on outcomes. Next, pick appropriate categories and skills so LinkedIn surfaces your service to the right audience. Don't forget to set contact preferences and any pricing hints or booking links. Make sure descriptions use keywords naturally. That improves search visibility and attracts the right inquiries. Finish by reviewing the service's entries and previewing your profile as a visitor. Make edits for clarity and remove redundancy. Once satisfied, save and publish the section so it's visible to prospects. After publishing, announce the new services in a post and tweak your headline to reflect your top offering. This drives clicks. If the services section doesn't appear, clear cache, update the app, or try a different browser. If problems persist, contact LinkedIn support and document the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.